Got a Jeep Renegade Latitude. I'm going to show you how to change the front and rear wiper blades and two different styles of front wiper blades. These are the Mopar OE wiper blades. They got the push button release design. You just push in on that tab and slide it forward, and then it just slides on off. To put the new one on, you just push it in and just slide it out. And then to put the new one on, you just take it, line it up, and push it back until it clicks. Make sure it clicks into place. The passenger side uses a 20-inch wiper blade. The driver's side uses a 22-inch wiper blade. And on the driver's side, I have this rainx wiper blade. If you can tell, it's a little bit different than the other. The other had just a push button, but this actually hooks from the top. So you'll want to pop that forward. And then if you got a little screwdriver handy to get up under the hook with, makes it a little easier. Just get up under it till it slides up, and then just slide it forward. And it'll pop right off. And then when you go to, if you're installing these, you just pop it back till it clicks into place. And then pop that down to keep it held into place. On the back, if you're replacing it, you want to pull out on the blade as far as you can. And you'll want to get two fingers up under the blade. What you're going to do is you're going to push right here, and you're going to push with your thumb too. And it'll probably take two hands. Them are really stiff. Up behind this part, and then up behind this part, and push that way, both hands, until it pops off. And to reinstall this, you got a little bar right here. It goes across, a little plastic bar. It goes into this groove. Just get it good and squared up. And then just get your fingers up under the plastic and pull back towards it, and it will pop into place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.